1 in Richmond.
Social Security officials made a decision today about the Richmond office building, the building where the deadly Legionnaires bacteria were found. Cleanup crews are working around the clock. They're trying to rid the government building of every trace of the bacteria. Diane Dwyer has the latest in this live report from Richmond. Diane.
Leslie, the Social Security building behind me will remain shut down and locked for at least a week and possibly longer. That was the word tonight from officials here. And it seems to imply that the situation here is far worse than health officials originally expected. More than 100 health officials from across the country have set up command posts near the contaminated building, and cleanup crews are working through the night tonight to try and rid this building of the deadly Legionella bacteria. And as they work, employees here worry and wait. They will not be coming to work here for at least one more week.
The reason that we're not prepared to open the building is that we do have a number of things going on in terms of final sampling to make sure that we have samples of all the air, the water, the surfaces, and so forth that we need in order to make determinations about the whole situation of where the Legionella is coming from.
McMahon said the cleanup crews will be working day and night. The focus is on water. Anywhere water is, the Legionella bacteria can grow and the disease can spread. Crews are required to wear respirators and must be in good health. Today they tore out carpets and ceiling tiles in the basement. They flushed out 60,000 gallons of water from the cooling towers, and tonight they're flushing chlorine through the towers to disinfect it. Health officials even bought 200 cases of Cascade cleaning detergent to purify the ventilation system.
You're looking for places where bugs can grow, moist places, standing water, and so the cleanup is pretty common. The actual confirmation of Legionnaires disease in a couple of patients is quite rare.
It's so unusual that it's also hard to track down. Health officials still haven't pinpointed the source of the problem. They have found the bacteria, but at levels far below what is considered dangerous or even threatening. But somewhere in this big brick building, the bacteria is growing and spreading at very dangerous levels. One employee here died from Legionnaires, 3 others were infected, and 8 more had pneumonia, a typical symptom of Legionnaires' disease. And some employees here today said that isn't even half the story. They say several more employees have been chronically ill in that building for months.
A lot of people were having flu symptoms. It was way more than 12. A lot of people were having a lot of flu symptoms. There's over 1,200 workers, and there was way more than 12 people with the same illness, believe me.
Including you?
Yeah. We all been sick off and on. We didn't know what was going on.
As far as what's going on with day-to-day business at the Social Security office, officials say the work is all easily transferred to other Social Security offices through the computer system, and it will be business as usual. Also, there's a tentative emergency meeting planned for Tuesday morning at the Richmond Convention Center for employees here. Now, once again, the building will remain shut down and locked for at least another week and possibly longer. And as the mayor of Richmond put it today, it is a sad time for the city of Richmond. George, Leslie?
Okay, Diane, thank you.